Folks, welcome to the videos again, guys. So I haven't produced this video for a while now, and the reason is I've been busy. But in general, just speaking, guys, I have been doing research a lot. Like this research I've been doing, it is about cryptocurrency and why they are there. And then I found out that cryptocurrency idea came like 2007, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. These were kind of ideas just to overcome economical challenges. And then 2008 we had Great Depression, and then Bitcoin was launched, and then with a known person, but which I have found out it may be CIA. This is just speculation on how I'm doing research. But Bitcoin, guys, were just like best test coin. Like they were testing if the money can move from one another to another, but they were using it to get their also colleagues who are rich, extremely rich, and which Bitcoin has done. So guys, if you want to make more money in cryptocurrency, now XRP is like almost like $3, $4, $5, depending on how you may find XRP. If you buy XRP now, XRP is the one, and other coins that may come, XLM, HBAR, these are the coins that may end up changing the entire financial system. Like, remember, we have had a lot of financial system from the like Egyptian Empire, Romans Empire, Greeks Empire, British Empire, and then now we are living in United States Empire. So we have had a lot of economical changes, and they are very tremendous changes that you can't deny them. So guys, if you want to make more money now, I want to ask you to look away where you can buy XRP. You be on of XRP, because it is going to price you out. Like now, one Bitcoin is over $105,000. So it priced retail investors out, because if it is $100,005 one coin, it means like if you are spending $1 million, you are not even getting 10 coins, you are just getting like 9 coins. While if XRP can go above $12,000, and this is what I'm seeing, and the reason is that because somebody asked me to look XRP on the channel, like to look how far it can go, and when I looked, I said that from this it is reasonable that XRP can go to $10. But the more I dig, the more I know I don't know. I don't know if you have heard a saying that the more you know, the more you know you don't know. And that is what I'm finding out with XRP. The more I know, the more I know I don't know. So guys, if you ever see this video, and this guys, today is January, it is on January, I want to look on January 17, and it is on Friday, and it is on 2025. Guys, if you ever see this video, whether you follow me on the channel or you don't follow me on the channel, guys, buy XRP. You are going to be among the few elites in the next 10 years. This is 2025. We are talking about 2035. You're going to be like looking back. Even if your children, your grandchildren will be looking back, and they're like, Grandpa, when the financial systems were changing, what were you doing? Why just dancing? Like, why you not awake? Why you not carefully to know what was going around the world? Guys, when we go live, like when people start using the payment of XRP, which for sure now I know that XRP can be $12,000, because I calculate the mathematics. Only like if XRP have to be used in Swift banking, which will be the banking system, they transport like over 5 quadrillion a year. So that means that if it is 5 quadrillion a year, that means that when XRP have to be at least above 12,000 to transport all like to do all the exchanges of the money. So guys, get ready for these big deals, and when you get wealthy and you have a lot of money, come here and tell me what you think. And guys, as I finish the video, tell me what you think. Do you think XRP can go to $15,000? Because I know for a fact now it can go to $13,000. Do you think XRP can go to even $1,000? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think down in the comment. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your views on how, like, those people who invest in XRP. Tell me your views down there. I want to know. I want to know too. I want to know what you think. What do you think and what you have done, like your research and what it says. So let me know too, guys.